Hola, my name is Katie. In this video, I want to share a tutorial on how I upcycle these old jeans. In the fashion world, discarded items, dangerous materials, and poor quality clothing are some of the main culprits when it comes to pollution. Enter the process of upcycling. Upcycling or recycling textiles decreases the amount of waste in landfills, reduces our carbon footprint, converts waste into useful products, and provides jobs for many people here in the US and around the world. I'm not a superhero, but I encourage everyone to reuse, reduce, and recycle. Let's get to the tutorial. For this project, we'll be needing an old pair of denim jeans, textile medium, acrylic paints, 2 glasses of water, pencil, eraser, brushes, recycled plate, and of course a fabric marker. Okay, so the first thing I did was to tape the back pocket edges of my upcycled jeans, and using a wash brush, I painted it with white acrylic paint and textile medium. I let the layer of white dry completely before sketching the Great Wave of Kanagawa. I picked this Japanese painting because I like the story behind it, and it's actually a woodblock print by artist named Katsushika Hokusai. He published it in the year 1831. This print depicts a swell of water that appears to engulf not only the boatmen delivering fresh fish to the city of Tokyo, but even Mount Fuji. I don't know if it's just me, but I found it quite difficult to do this project because I don't paint much. When I was in grade school, I used to paint a lot, but now not so much. I'm pretty sure if I practice more often, then I could get better at it again. Yeah, you know what they say, practice makes perfect. That's so true. Anyway, some of my uncles and aunties in the Philippines are professional artists, but I don't really hang out with them and talk about paintings or sculptures. But if I could turn back time, I would probably surround myself with them, especially with Uncle Mon, Uncle Nab, and Auntie Joy. Auntie Joy is a fine arts professor in the University of the Philippines in Diliman. Okay, so back to my project. Painting with such a thick medium like acrylic on a dry coarse textured surface like this upcycled denim was just kind of hard for me. It's just, I don't know, weird. At one point, I told myself, Katie, you gotta shut the fuck up and might as well run with it. Finish what you started, you crazy creature. And I think talking to myself actually worked because it made me kept going and just did it. And in just doing it, I get the hang of it. I find painting very therapeutic and good for my mental health. Hashtag self-care. I get this idea of painting or revamping or upcycling your old jeans and turning into a new one from TikTok. By the way, if you have TikTok, kind of follow me at Pinay Nomad. Same username in all my social media accounts. Painting is an enjoyable activity. It's like I'm in my own world, a world full of possibilities, you know? I know it sounds cheesy, but don't bomb it, okay? Painting helps me get distracted from my anxiety, PTSD, and clinical depression. More story on that in my next videos. I'm not really comfortable talking about it, but I wanna be genuine and put myself out there. So might as well talk about it, you know? But not now. Painting just helps me take anguish out and transform it into something else. You know, something creative. They said that the stimulus of the creative mind allows you to positively isolate from your immediate reality, which, by the way, I'm not trying to escape anything. It just provides a mental rest that lowers my stress levels and help me feel chill, if you know what I mean. So don't take a chill pill, just paint. So these paint are permanent and washable on fabrics after 72 hours. So I guess my work is done here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive, be happy, and live free. See you later.